Dear learners, good morning to everyone. Thank you very much for joining us in our platform, Moodle at l'University University Oblidatu. Today we're going to present our last lecture titled Risk in Insurance. So I have divided my last lecture into the following four elements as follows. What is risk insurance? What are the different types of risk in insurance, language activities, how to use LAD, and finally using our assessment. So what is risk insurance? Risk refers to the probable, disadvantageous, and desirable or unprofitable outcome of a fortuitous event, an event which is not desired but taking place in professional risk assessment. Risk combines the probability of an event occurring with the impact that event would be and with its different circumstances. So, a risk manager evaluates the potential risks of a business and strategizes preventive measures. In addition, risk managers determine risk appetites, prepare risk budgets, present risk reports, and train employees to enhance risk awarenesses. So, what are the main types of risk in insurance? Types of risk in insurance are financial and non-financial risks, pure and speculative risk, and finally, fundamental and particular risks. Third element about our language activities. So, how to use LAD? LAD is the simple past of the verb to lead. It means you were put in a position to lead a group of people you work with. According to the Oxford Advanced Learners Dictionary, is to control a group of people, a country, or situation. For example, Amin has led many tasks over the years. Khaled led my co-workers through the difficult period when our boss walked out. Finally, and please learners, don't forget to take a look at your different types of assessment, quizzes, tests, exams. Thank you for your attention.